Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jason with Destination Fulltime, and today we are at Jack Hill State Park. We're going to take a tour through and show you what they have to offer. Jack Hill State Park, one of Georgia's beautiful state parks. Looks like they don't have any putt-putt right now, but they are in the process of rebuilding it. It's going to be really nice. It looks really good. They don't have the stuff down right this minute that you could play. This is November 2022, so I would imagine in another month it'll be definitely ready to go. This is the picnic shelter area, playground, volleyball courts. Looks like they got a splash pad even here. Looks like nice picnic shelter with some grills out that you could use, some picnic tables. A nice little park. Small for a state park, but it's nice. Another picnic table and grill that you could use. No, it's not covered, but plenty nice. Some restrooms. Got another group shelter place here with some grills. So this is clearly closed because it's November, but this is the splash pad. It's pretty nice. You can see places to sit that are covered for the parents. Splash pad right there in the middle. It's pretty nice. On the other side over here, they've got some volleyball set up, so you can play volleyball if you want. Sand volleyball. Our kid isn't small enough to play on a playground anymore, but if they were, this is a really nice playground. Two little pieces of it. Actually, it's a pretty nice little playground. And a rock climbing wall. And then another piece to it over here. And again, all this is right next to a restroom facility, which is real nice. You don't have to go back to your campsite if the kiddos have to go to the bathroom. My basketball days are definitely behind me, but they got a nice little basketball court here as well. Little half court. All right, this next thing I want to show you is definitely not something that you see at a lot of state parks, or any really for that matter. It's called a fitness zone, and they actually have, yeah, you guessed it, workout equipment. It's pretty neat. I've never seen this before. You got your butterfly machine, your elliptical. I've definitely not seen this before ever at a state park. Pretty cool. Hey, but you're on the road, you're staying at state parks. Jack Hill offers you a workout facility, even though it's not an indoor workout facility. Pretty cool. Got a nice little grilling station here for the group shelter. You can do your food prep and stuff in there. It's screened in, so it's screened in so you won't get bugs and flies. I would assume in the summer months you probably would have some mosquitoes at this state park, just due to the fact that you do have a lot of standing water right out here. But this is really nice. I mean, we've got a fireplace out here. Just a really nice little facility. Alright, we've showed you most of the park now. We're going to go up here by the lake and then run through the campground and show you that. So we are on site number 10, which is a full hookup premium site. So we have water and sewer on our particular site. Now, not all the sites have that, but there are a few that do. So we wanted to get that, so we were able to. We're right across the street from the Cottages. I'm going to take a walk over there and check those out. There's quite a number of cottages in this park. One thing I didn't mention is that they have a laundry facility and a bathhouse right here in the middle of the campground. This is the back side of it. The kids have been taking showers in there because they like lots of hot water, and they like to take long showers. Let's check out the laundry facility here. Nice little facility. Someone's got some stuff going. I believe that's probably this guy walking toward me. It's almost done, 3 minutes. And the bathhouse, men's and women's. So pretty cool. And across the street are cottages 6 through 10. We'll just walk through. They look like they're all occupied, so I'm not going to get up close and creepy with people being in them, but we'll walk through. This one's really nice. It's right on the on a par 3 hole that you can probably see really nice from these back decks. So if you can't live on a golf course, you can come spend the weekend on a golf course. This course did have something different that I hadn't heard of before called foot golf, and it's where you take a soccer ball and in essence play golf. So that was kind of cool. So you can see the golf course back through over there. Some tee boxes and such. And plenty of cottages. And they also have a 1-mile nature trail called the Swamp Bay Nature Trail. That's just a short little walk down. You can see it's back up in there. And that is Jack Hill State Park, and the golf course that is tied to it. And we hope that you have enjoyed this review. We hope that you've enjoyed this review and that you will like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you'll be alerted the next time we put out a video, which will be next week. And with that, we're out. See you next week.